ito na yung S24 ko. Let's see kung gaano ka clear yung coverage. So they're preparing, no? Yung Angkor. We're preparing, no? To land here in Calapan from Batangas, Port of Batangas. It took us more than 2 hours. The crew, they're preparing to malaki pala. Malaki ng they're using machine na. Itago na tayo konti baka mag-stop na. We're inside naman. Authorized persons. Tingnan natin yung navigation here. Let us see. Ito yung area. This is already Mindoro. So we just crossed yung Luzon. This is already Mindoro part. They're preparing to yung Angkor. Dahan-dahan. Let us see dito sa baba. Kung mag-cover natin here. Dito yung mga sasakyan. Dito yung mga sasakyan. Private vehicles. Yung sa atin, the Ford Everest is there. Ready for take off. So this is the first time that we've been using yung bago na Oppo. Although medyo mura to, let us see kung gaano ka ganda yung coverage.